nice jab by the red corner. Jab straight hook. Decent malungkot itong red corner. Maganda. Nice form by the red corner. Oh, nice right hand by the red corner. Oh, nice jab by the red corner. We got the attention of blue corner right there. Nice overcut once again, but the blue corner is not pressing the action.
And it's upon to cross the ring. Fighting out of the red corner, independent, introducing Jeremiah Palomo. Nitong red corner, title at American style, ang mahal niyan. Nako, magkano kaya yan?
Sabi niya nga, patumba ka.
Ito mga kaibigan yung trunks of Black Jaguar. Uy, napakatras ang blue corner.
Blue corner. Nice. Hulog lang yung mga suntok nitong red corner. You can sense he is properly trained, no? Maganda yung bitaw ng mga suntok ni red corner. Knuckle and then hulog lang. Ayan, no?
Nakikita yung ganda. Nice jab.
Nakikita yung ganda. Nice jab.
Nice move.
Yung corner po na
Kapalaman sa English na yun. Sabi ni Coach, be careful. Papa. May mga parang English si Coach.
Naka-US pa naman yan. Pag hindi mo pa in-English yan, ewan ko lang.
Evil Knievel. Yan, yung helmet. Ang ganda nung trunks niya, no? Nalulungkot lang ako kasi ilang puma, ilang jaguar ang nag-wish ng buhay para magawa ang kanyang trunks. Animal advocate ako eh.
Oh? Tanong ko sa lolo ko yun.
Ang kagandahan dito kay Red Corner, yung jab niya hindi nawawala.
Yun.
Alam mo, kamukha, medyo hawig ni Roy Jones, ha?
Ito may corner, ha? Roy Jones sa kabataan. Yung matanda si Roy Jones. Yung matanda na. Ikaw, alam mo, nagtatapo kayo. May tawid ka din ba? Si Duran.
Sino ba ba? Nung 50s na siya o
Yung
kabataan pa rin siya?
siyempre yung matanda na.
Baka hindi yan naman ng truck.
Gusto mo si Kevin?
Ayan.
Kevin Duran.
Gusto ko lang ganyan.
Doon ko ba na-realize na gumana ng TV?
That's my choice. And I go first. Oh, nice jab by the red corner. Jab straight hook. Decent malungkot itong red corner. Maganda. Nice form by the red corner. Oh, nice right hand by the red corner.
Oy, pero na-counter siya doon. He got careless. But the blue corner is getting aggressive here.
Oh, nice jab by the red corner. We got the attention of blue corner right there. Nice overcut once again, but the blue corner is not pressing the action.
Uppercut by the red corner.
Sabi nila, 17 daw eh. Oy, congrats ha. Yung isa, yung payat.
Nice drop, right hand.
Hindi, yung isa. Yung payat na malakas pa ng konti. Panalo ha?
Hell of a second.
Third and final round.
Nice right hand by red corner. I think the blue corner needs to go for time here.
Time here kasi unofficially parang lamang sa puntos itong corner. Red corner, unofficially lamang.
Do something here. Pero nalalapagan siya ng mga quick jabs.
Nito pong si red corner. As you can see, the red corner never abandoned his jab pero tumama doon si blue corner.
So one Hail Mary shot for the win from the blue corner.
Nice body shot by the red corner.
Eto sa'yo!
Tingnan mo yung mga ganun pa piso-piso. Yung score yun. If you don't do something, then that will register in the judge's eyes, no? Very fundamentally sound. Ito pong si Jaguar. Black Jaguar. Second, 10 seconds. End of the bout.